Uy, welcome sa Pinoy Comics Time. Ako si FPJ at pag-usapan natin ang Chippy. Chippy dahil may kinalaman siya sa comics. Dahil when you buy any Chippy right now, meron siyang comics na kasama. And for this one, it has a strip from Pico Machine Comics na gawa ni Manny Cabrera. At ayan nga, makikita mo dyan. At pagkali sa ibang virus ng Chippy, nandun silang ganyan, which is a good thing for Filipino comics creators that they are now recognized and put into certain products just like Chippy na syempre paborito natin lahat. And yun nga, bukod kay Manny Cabrera, marami ring mga comic artists ang kinokolab ngayon ni Chippy. Makita nyo sa isang commercial nila, nandun si Dibing Comics, nandun si yun nga, si Manix, nandun din ang iba pang mga ano na i-discuss natin later on. And yun nga, so if you are into Chippy and also into comics, matutuwa kayo dahil sa bawat Chippy merong comics, and we are expecting something like more comics collaboration happening with Chippy. So kudos to Jack and Jill for making this happen, and also hopefully mas marami tayo makitang comics. Parang gawin na natin tong collectible. Kung gusto nyo makabasa ng comics, hindi nyo kaya pumunta kung saan, bili lang kayo ng Chippy at meron na kayong comics. So yun lang, this is again FPG for Pinoy Comics Time. Kaya tayo!